How to import DP data into Autodesk ReCap. Please note that you'll have to use data in compatibility mode for this to work. First, hit New Project, and hit Import. Now give your project a name, and select the file you want to import. Find your DP data, and click Open. Now go to the Advanced tab, and make sure decimation is set to the lowest possible value. Hit Import in the bottom right when you're done. The software will now take some time to process the importation. We will cut this out for the sake of the video. When it's finished, hit Index Scans in the bottom right, and then Launch Project. You should now be able to view your data inside of Autodesk ReCap. ReCap is a powerful point cloud editing tool in the portal into many other Autodesk softwares via the RCS export. RCS can also be exported directly from Dot3D Edit on Windows if you prefer. I'm currently using the limit box feature to remove excess points from my data before I mesh it. With this feature, you can remove points outside of your scan by changing the limiting box around it, removing any data you don't need. When you're done, you can hit the Confirm button at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. I will now use the meshing feature at the left of the screen. Select the local option to process on your own computer and hit Save Project. The default settings should work fine, so just hit Submit. When it's finished, you can hit Open in Editor to view your mesh. The mesher will automatically break it into individual parts that you can select. We're demonstrating this feature not to only show that these 3D meshes made with ReCap are uniquely editable, but also to emphasize the intelligence behind them. By automatically recognizing surfaces, cylinders, and other shapes within the point cloud, this new ReCap 2026 meshing feature is able to produce much more lightweight results than other traditional meshing tools, without sacrificing details needed in certain areas. Uniquely complex areas will have a lot more minute triangles involved than an empty or flat area of the same size. When you're ready to save, you can click the Export button in the top left and then select what format you would like to save the file to. You can export to many popular formats like DAE, FBX, STL, and more. Many of these include full-color textures. Lastly, for those who prefer to remain within the point cloud format, here's how you export to RCS. Go to the top menu and click Export. Now, give the file whatever name you want and save it in your chosen location. I will be saving to the desktop and calling it Test. Make sure to save it as an RCS file. When you hit Save, you should get an extra menu with more options. Click this button here and turn the decimation down as low as you can to get the most detail saved within your scan. You can also leave it higher if you want to remove some points. You can proceed when done, and it will take some time to load and process your saved file. RCS files can be imported into AutoCAD, Revit, Navisworks, Inventor, and more.